The new Audi RS3 has been revealed, showcasing an updated version of the flagship hot hatch. It features minor styling tweaks but offers no more power than before. However, the tweaked suspension has enabled it to achieve a Nürburgring lap record. The new RS3 will go on sale in September, starting at £59,510. The 2024 Audi RS3 Sportback comes with a redesigned front fascia highlighted by a broad hexagonal black grille. Audi mentioned that the design draws inspiration from the Audi Sport Quattro S1, which won the 1987 Pikes Peak hill climb race. The grille features minimal body-colored elements, mostly on the bumper. Another update is the new headlights, which now include matrix LEDs and 3 selectable signature lights. The 2024 Audi RS3 Sportback was available exclusively as a 5-door model. While its enhanced exterior didn't differ much from the 2021 version, it did feature new 19-inch alloy wheels with an option for a 20-inch set. Audi also offered sports-oriented tires, including semi-sleek options for those planning to take the RS3 to the racetrack. At the rear, the redesigned fascia include vertical side deflectors that matched the front design with fewer black trims. The functional diffuser on the lower bumper integrated the large oval dual exhausts. The 2024 Audi RS3 Sportback was designed with performance in mind. Inside, the cabin was lined with Alcantara, which helped prevent windshield reflectors. Audi also offered an option for carbon fiber sport seats, which integrated headrests designed to keep occupants secure during high-speed cornering. In front of the driver was a 12.3-inch Audi virtual cockpit screen running the latest software, allowing for a comfortable display. This included a shift light when the car was in manual mode. The hexagonal-shaped steering wheel, in addition to the buttons for the infotainment system, featured 2 extra red knobs to engage either the performance of RS individual mode. Under the hood, there was no surprises. Audi equipped the 2024 RS3 Sportback with the same 2.5-litre inline 5 turbocharged engine as the previous version. However, the driving modes were upgraded, enabling better drifting capabilities. This was achieved through an advanced electronic system that considered the steering angle in addition to the acceleration pedal and lateral G-forces. The new Audi RS3 will be available to order in September with a price increase of the few £1,000s compared to the outgoing model. The Sportback starts at £59,510, which is about £4,000 less than the Mercedes-AMG A45S. The saloon version is priced at £60,510.